siyadeleleka South Africa. Ama-Somalia ngomso nansi address guys. Abeka inkosi yawo like la nto yakufana kuGompo esikweni ngomso nansi address kuba ikhona organization enokwazi yo observe le nto ithatha videos izithumele kwi-officials because as far as I understand most of the Somalians zilapha country as asylum seekers or some of them as refugees, and the CONCORD has just ruled now that refugees and asylum seekers xa disapprove applications azo, they must go to their native countries and wait or to benze application while besemazweni abo. So guys, it asiyacela uMr Panyaza Lusufi okanye uMr Dada Murero ayifumane le video guys, isirculate iyofika kubo ngomso nansi address ngomso bakukho organization ezifutshane pha eJoburg esenting le hotel guys, sicela nisicedeni please, asizuyivuma into efana nakuGompo yenzeke. Please guys, share this video please guys.
South Africa siyadelelwa kuhuri disrespect at its highest form. The Somalis Ashib like one document they are doing the same thing that my Nigerians did that made the country so angry. And about so because Ramaphosa allows it. Ramaphosa is excusionist. Because they are not any share. Barbona, the refugees, asylum seekers, they're criminals, disrespectful, opportunistic criminals. Now we know why your countries got rid of you. Now we know why your countries are in shambles. You are disrespectful thugs. And the West is not going to give a crap about you. If your plan is to provoke us so there can be violence, you must know, Uguti, even if the West come, they're not going to be on your side. Ask the colors of South Africa how they've been used. Hurrah, when are you doing the right thing? You know, human rights, especially when you hear Umzungu say, I'm just worried about human rights. You must know they're worried about their own interest. When you're a tool, you know, when you take scissors and you use it and then you throw it and then you forget it and you use it again. You're a tool. Don't provoke your landlords. Don't provoke your landlords so that you can make the capitalists rich. They don't care about you. Hey, guys, hi, Ramaphosa must fall. Guys, you know what? General Ntantlang Mkhwanazi said it. It's going to take South Africans to fix this. Yela bantu abezwa.
Wenganzothi asikhandi zenze. Nokho ke bengithi mhlawumbe lemkhuba yeAI ngibona lento ngoba ibikhona into ebithi kimi mhlawumbe kukhona ukuthi kudukiswa lapha umkhondo, kukhona nokuthi mhlawumbe kwenzela ukuthi lokhu esikunakile okulelwayo kube ukuthi mhlawumbe ke silahla ifocus kuko. Kodwa kuthe uma bengibona umfanekiso obuphanyekiwe lapha yana ungizwe ekhuluma ukuthi ufikile washutha esemotweni yakhe ngempela umgubho lobukhona nakho bekuxoxwa lapha umholi wamaSomali lapha eningizimu Afrika njengoba kwenzeka lapha eEast London kuxoxwa umholi wabantu baseNigeria okusho ukuthi umkhuba lo owandayo lento ithiniki ithi labantu njengamanje bayazihlela bayaziorganize bafuna labantu ukuthi babe represented bameleleke bafuna ke labantu ukuthi babe uhlelo oluhlelekile abazokwazi ngalo ukulwa balwe nohulumeni bazokwazi ngalo lolo hlelo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola izinto ezingama benefits laba abawafunayo kodwa ibenefits enkulu kunawo wonke iyo lesiyazi ukuthi phela eyokuba kuleli ilizwe ngithuke ngoma ke ngoba ngangithi mhlambe lesasigameko sase London sizokwenza ukuthi angabe sabakhona omunye ozocabanga ukuthi uzofuna ukuthi enze into efana nale ukuthi yini ebanika isibindi ngalendlela yokuthi bona baqhubeke bakwenze lokho emva kuba babona kwenzakalana eSlondon asazi asikhandi zenza
bafowethu masibingelele igama lami ngoZoso bafowethu. So njengamanje sila endaweni yaseGoli siceda kulenda bafowethu. So njengamanje nginomhamba nomfowethu la umthimkhulu okuyena umfowethu odabuka KZN kodwa ke yena kuzinza. Buke la kunencwadi noma ke statement esithunyelwe emphakathini ezimedia bafowethu sikhishwa ke iSomala Community Church of South Africa. So lapha ke bazoqoka umholi ke walo leli bandla le noma ke walesigungu lesi esifomiwe lapha. So umfowethu ke ngoba mina buye singisalele kancane iSomalia. So ngibamba nje lezo impahla nje ezincane lezo izinkulumo ezincane kodwa umfowethu yena ngoba usehlale kakhulu nabo abafowethu bangaphandle bazosifunda ulimi lolu leSomalia. Uzosichazela nje yonke into ukuthi bachaza ukuthini ngale ncwadi lena so engizomfundela yona mina ngoba ngiyakwazi ukufunda kodwa phela ezinye inhlamvu nje ukuthi ukwazi ukuyitranslator ngoba ngenzela ukuthi nikwazi ukuyizwa nani le message siyabantu bakwaZulu Natal nizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani. So baba umthemkhulu asikubingelele baba.
Ngibingelela mfowethu Zoso kunjani?
Siyaphila baba wami.
Ngiyaphila.
So njengamanje we are about to start for ukuthi ngiread le ncwadi le so uready mfowethu.
Hayi ngiready.
Yeah mhlawumbe nje ungachazela nje mhlawumbe umbukeli i-background yakho mhlawumbe nawo le gang yangaphandle uyazi kanjani senazane kangakanani nayo?
Hayi sengineminyaka nje ngicabanga ukuthi evile ku10 manje ngihlala lapha eJozi. Ibona baphethe vela bathengisa izitoro zabo ziningi sithenga kizo lapha eGoli.
So wena ubudlelwane bakho wena wazana kanjani nabo uzwazi isilimo saseSomalia?
Khona kushuthi ebengihlala lapha eduze kwakhe ebengithenga kuye bengithi noma ngishayekile nganamali ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyothatha lapha kuye ngibhadale after. So bengilokhu ngifundake ngagcina nami sengicava ukuthi hayi iyahamba yona language yami.
Alright bhuti wami njengoba senizwile abafowethu echaza ngebackground yakhe nolwazi nje leSomalia. So sizoqala njengamanje singene kuona umsebenzi. Incwadi ifundeka kanje Somalia Community Service of South Africa ngomhla ka16 May 2026 Gauteng office Gadai Puti Watlamba Gauteng taba yekotai Somalian of South Africa in pakati ya kotai afeta la botenta ntai kotai Somalia Community of South Africa.
Kushuthi ke lapha abokudabuka eSomalia bachaza ukuthi njengoba kumhla ka17 kuMay nabo sebezobeka ke eyabi inkosi lapha eSouth Africa.
Uti katai ote tatai kotata tepe kapeka kala kote katai semwewe kapaka yika kapa kaleme kasaka hoka kapaka jakalia Somaliana in South Africa.
Kushuthi bachaza lapha baseSomalia ukuthi vele lapha eSouth Africa izwe lilahlile babona ukuthi thina silibela utshwala nokudunusa no prenude bathi ngebezwe ngoZulu bona akusikhona Eastern Cape la kwaqhashazwa khona abokudabuka eNigeria bona sizothi stoyiza la stoyizela ukuthi bahambe kodwa inkosi izobisibekiwe ngeke kushintshe lokho.
Iyaka xipeka mujija baka yuketse bulshadamba ka wanda baka tite beka khabala ba buleshel bi khatam itepa Somalia down lada ikapote ya kota akaka tito pacha ta kuta.
Bayachaza lapho ukuthi noma kungenzekani noma nini noma kuphi bona akekho umuntu abamsabayo bazovele bethumela amabhomu nje makuba khona mhlawumbe ozama ukuhlukumeza ubukhosi babo loba bazobeka lapha eSouth Africa.
July 17 May 2026 Mati akatai kapai wati 12 PM to 16 PM.
Bathi umcimbi waboke uzoqala phakathi kuka12 kuze kuyoshaya u4 ntambama usukwini lakhona namhlanje njengoba ku17 May nje.
Musi takatai ngokote tsapakati tapala pulishana bata Somalian poka iboka tekeleketa kamunsika motsapatika.
Bayasho bathi ubukhosi babo bafuna kubhekelelwe kakhulu njengoba bedabuka eSomalia bafuna ukuhlanganisa abantu abaseSomalia abakhona lapha bebe imbumba bebe nomuntu futhi ozoba umholo apha bazomkhothamela.
Ikapatita lapoteta apo Mashadan goodbye Shimen Farah.
bathi bayabonga ke njengoba bevalelisa encwadini besho bethi goodbye, bathi bayajabula futhi ukuba lapha bangakuthokozela ukuthi abantu befike njengoba bezokwenza lo mcimbi abawenzayo namhlanje.
Siyabonga bafethu, siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ngetranslator yethu umfoka Mthimkhulu okhomisa ukuthi bafethu usehlala kakhulu nabo labantu laba sibakate idokala mathaitay. Ngithi nje bafethu nisale kahle, siyabonga ukubukela bakate ota.
Hello good people, ilizwe lethu liyahamba shem. I think it's time ukuthi si accept nje ukuthi you know what, vele South Africa abazenzele nje abokufika benze noma yini. Cause what is this? Lento iqale eGompo, ama Nigeria abeka inkosi yawo, kwasuka umsindo kwaba nje yaya, kwaze kwamela ukuthi kuze ku strike ekucala ku protestwe imarch and march isuke KZN iye Eastern Cape nje ngenxa ukuthi ama Nigeria nawo abeke inkosi yabo lapha eGompo. Manje sekuthiwa amaSomalian bewabeka inkosi yawo eSandton, amaSomalian. Hayi ngiyavumelana nobhuti lo okhulumayo la kulama video othi lokhu kusho ukuthi labantu bayazihlela straight ukuthi nje bas overpower, like nje bay overpower iSouth Africa ngayo yonke indlela abangakhona ngayo. Okubhlungu ke nje ukuthi angeke ama South African asuke eSouth Africa aye Somalia afike ayogcoba inkosi yawo eSomalia. Angeke. So manje ke ngoba la eSouth Africa vele kukagogo ezola nje kamazenzela, hayi bafethu igovernment yethu iyasifeyila ngayo yonke indlela. Cause angeke kuze kwenzeke ukuthi abantu benze icelebration enkulu kangaka yokubeka inkosi kungabi bikho oku government institutions owaziyo ngaleyo nto leyo. Khona laba ababanikeze i-go ahead yokuthi no, it's fine, you can do as please as you want. South Africa nje it's a banana republic. Government yethu iyasifeyila shembazalwane. Asazi ukuthi late 30 June izofika sekwenzakaleni eSouth Africa ngoba hayi sibabazile every day, sivuka nezinye silala nezinye, kuningi nje okwenzakalayo, kuningi. Sasilinde nje ukuzwa ukuthi amaSomalian ke ngoba sewanenkosi la eMzansi sewazosiphatha kangakanani ngoba phela asiphethe kuma shops nje, iphaza shops, into nje ethi store eyamaSomalian. Nothola ngagobe kulahleka umfana lapha waseFostorus uMazwi, kusolakala ukuthi amaSomalian are involved ekulahlekeleni kwakaMazwi. But sekuthulekile manje asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, abobana baboshiwe, icase kaMazwi kuhamba kanjani, akasekho okhulumayo. Yeah, this is South Africa for you. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Let us, what do you think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.